This HISENSE 7S series washing machine has a ton of useful features that help tackle your laundry, and with smart connectivity, you get an added level of convenience. It takes the guesswork out of the picture thanks to auto dosing, which stores enough detergent and fabric softener for up to 24 wash cycles. It cleverly measures and dispenses the perfect dosage based on the amount of clothes inside the washing machine. It has a smart color touch display which is simple to use, and I personally love the way it looks. Just use the dial or the touchscreen display on the front here to select which setting you want to use. Now there are so many options to choose from, and when you find the cycle you're looking for, you can even adjust it further. Plus, it remembers these settings, giving you a personalized menu, which just makes the whole process that much easier. And its intelligence goes a step further with AI Superwash, which does a deep analysis of your load and selects the best wash cycle based on 7 key elements. These include water level, water hardness, and smart detergent dosing, just to name a few. You can also get real-time information about your load and monitor your energy usage by downloading the Connect Life app. This washing machine has an A-class energy rating too, as it helps to minimize energy consumption, meaning that you can save on your bills. And you save on detergent costs, as it uses exactly what's needed with every wash, saving you money and promoting environmental sustainability. And even Which have said it's economical in its use of electricity and consumes less water than most. If you would like to find out more info about this HISENSE 7S series washing machine, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.